Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Gusto kong bigyan ng reaksyon itong post ni Jose Alejandrino, dating presidential advisor panahon ni President Fidel V. Ramos. Alam ko ito, Marcos loyalist dati, ngayon anti-Marcos Jr. critic. Ang title sa kanyang post is BBM's message has no effect. Yung message ba na nag-leak kunuhay na stop the impeachment of BP Sara, it's a waste of time. Okay. So according to Mr. Alejandrino, walang epekto ito. Bakit? Basahin ko yung kanyang post. Two things have emerged as to why Bongbong issued a publicized message to stop the impeachment of BP Sara. So ano yung dalawang rason bakit lumabas yung message na yon na nag-leak, kaya lang sinasabi ng iba sinadya daw. Galing daw kay First Lady Lisa, sinadya, binigay kay Katonying. Si Katonying naman parang di alam kung nasaan nanggaling, nakarating lang sa kanya, then pinablicize. Kasi it's a propaganda. Okay. First, bakit ginawa yung message na yon na pinapa-stop? First is the growing fear of people power. Judging from the number of people going to the shrine at EDSA, prayer rallies in Davao, Cebu, and other places throughout the country. The withdrawal of support for Bongbong by different organizations and the numerous commentaries on social media supporting Inday Sara. It appears the greatest fear of the palace is the emergence of people power. The number of Duterte supporters has risen to 32 million according to a reliable intel sources. So, yun ang unang rason. Natatakot daw, according to Jose Alejandrino, natatakot ang palasyo na baka tuluyan na ang people power. Kasi yung sa EDSA, tuloy-tuloy, padami ang tao. At kahit sabi ng pulis, may natanggap daw na report ang pulis na allegedly binabayaran ng mga tao doon. Sa akin naman, napanood ko yung bata, yung 13-year-old na Carlo Mendoza, nagsasalita, nananawagan na resign Marcos Jr. Nako, grabing ano. Yan ba ang bayaran? Batang-bata pa lang, alam niya ang nangyayari sa bansa. Kawawa kaming kabataan na magiging biktima ng bawal na gamot dahil sa inyo. Ganon. So ano sa tingin nyo? Itong opinion ni Mr. Jose Alejandrino, natatakot na ba ang palasyo sa people power? So takot na. Ang alam ko is may nag-advise daw itong si Secretary Juan Ponce Enrile. Alam naman natin ang people power 1, siya yung architect, main player. Baka nag-advise daw ang Secretary Enrile na magpalamig, let's cool off. Huwag kaya nang painitin pa ang sitwasyon. Baka sinunod nila ang payo ni Secretary Enrile, kaya yun na. Biglang kumambyo, huwag nang i-impeach. Noon pa sana kung talagang ayaw nilang ma-impeach, bakit ngayon pa na sabi ni BP Sara, point of no return na Ayaw niya nang makipagbati o makipag-ayos. Labanan na ng gusto. Nagalit na ang agila ng Davao. Okay, ano yung pangalawang rason? Secondly, the Bongbong message is seen merely as a ploy. Patibong. Propaganda. Ploy. To show Bongbong is still in charge. He wanted to convey his goodness. Wow. Ako, nung una, tuwan-tuwa ako Sabi ko, ito na. Nagpakita ng tunay na karakter, Marcos. Salamat. Nadali ako eh. Oh. He wanted to convey his goodness and seriousness of his concern for the Filipino people who have suffered from the recent devastations of typhoons, the millions who became homeless and lost their few belongings, and the farmers who lost their harvest. It was intended, yung message na yon is propaganda nga, it was intended to deflect attention away from the huge corruption in government and the lack of financial ayuda for disaster relief. So, anong tingin nyo? Pakitang tao, pampapogi para ang taong bayan magpasalamat kay PBBM. Ako, yung una kong mga vlog, pinapasalamatan ko talaga. Ngayon, medyo nag-iisip na rin yung tunay na motibo. Alanganin na rin ako yung tunay na motibo. Okay. Anong epekto ng message? Ito na. May visa ba? May power ba? O inutil? Kung sa bala pa, dodge. Wala, hindi pumutok. Did Bongbong's message to stop the impeachment produce the intended effect? Yung bang ang epekto is kakalma na ang Duterte supporters, stop ng EDSA rally, stop ng mga magpasalamat ang mga tao, Duterte supporters, at reconcile. Yun ba? Nangyari ba? Sabi ni Jose Alejandrino, no. Because, ito, lalo na yung mga kongreso, yung kongresista, ang pinakamagandang epekto sana nito, kung magsalita si Speaker Romualdez na, okay, the President has spoken, let's stop everything. Tama na. Di ba ang ganda kung ganon ang resulta? Kailang meron na bang ganong pronouncement ang Speaker? Wala pa. Ito, tuloy natin. No, sabi ni Jose Alejandrino, because members in Congress said they received no order from House Speaker Martin Romualdez to stop the impeachment, which led many on social media to conclude there is effectively a rift between Bongbong, his wife Lisa, and his cousin Martin, as had been reported earlier, and which had not been denied by the parties. Is this why Martin has assured Lisa not to worry, for he would take care of her? Lisa knows where the money bag is, and it is not with her husband, Bongbong. Sino bang may hawak ng pitaka? Purse. Di ba ang Kongreso? Walang pera ang Malacanang pag hindi sila bigyan ng Kongreso. So, tama nga, minomonitor ko ang si Speaker Martin Romualdez nag-attend ng bicameral conference committee, pag-usapan ng budget. Tinanong ng media, anong masasabi nyo sa message ng presidente? Hindi siya sumagot. Wala lang. Dinedma. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Di ba kung susunod siya sa Pangulo, kung nandun pa rin yung magandang relasyon, kung ako si Speaker Romualdez, sabi ko nga, okay, narinig ko, nakabasa ko yung message ng Pangulo, susunod kami. Meron niyang yung Makabayan Block, mayroon na silang statement na binabatikos nila ang Pangulong Marcos na nakikialam sa impeachment proceeding. Ibig sabihin, hindi sumusunod yung Makabayan Block. Ang Makabayan Block, di ba ganyan sila ng speaker? Okay. Ito, magandang statement ni Jose Alejandrino. May sources siya sa US. A highly placed friend in Washington, D.C. is monitoring the situation in the Philippines. He sent a short message. Thank you for letting us know what is happening in the Philippines. Your people will decide. Bahala ang mga tao. Bahala daw ang mga tao kung ituloy na ba. People power na. Nanonood lang ang US. The movement towards change is likely to continue, and I predict, ito, prediction ni Jose Leandrino, I predict it will culminate in the downfall of Bongbong and his cohorts. Okay. So, sa tingin nyo, mabisa ba yung message ng Pangulo na stop the impeachment o walang epekto? I-comment nyo ko, no? Salamat, Mr. Jose Alejandrino.